Thank you, Madam President. The EU has zero credibility to lecture anyone on financial literacy, and even less so on competitiveness, because it is one of the worst investors on the planet, wasting money, missing opportunities, and surviving only because European taxpayers pay for its failures. And yet you dare to lecture them because your policies are actually destroying wealth with deindustrialization, state-driven investment, self-inflicted economic damage through sanctions. With the 20th sanctions package now, more isolation, more costs, all paid by our citizens. In Bulgaria, people are already under great pressure from euro adoption, and real wages are fading, savings are shrinking, and investment is collapsing. So people don't need lectures on how to manage less money. And the idea of redirecting national pension savings into markets without real consent, this is a very questionable undertaking, because you have already eroded people's wealth and they feel it every day.